All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, the staking the coin, the using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards, get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip Network, get 365% back on your initial investment, 1% a day. Splash, get 2% a day. All kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Keep Network. Going to go to their website, check out their Twitter, see what's going on with Keep Network. Also, we're going to talk about the gas prices in the U.S. What can we do to stop these high gas prices? Are there strategies? I don't know. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, strategies on gas we're doing a little bit later. Let's head over to Keep Network. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, Keep is at 136, traded at 61 cents. It's actually up 3.26% today. Clicking it. Again, look at it's up about 2.31%, 2.3% today, 61 cents. What's going on with Keep, everybody? Taking a look in the last 24 hours, it is up. In the last 7 days, it's up a little bit, it's down a little bit. So Keep Network. What is Keep Network? Keep is an incentive network for storing, encrypting private devices on the public blockchain. The network is made of off-chain containers for private data known as Keeps. Why Keep works tokens enables is completely permissionless. Keep solves main problems of holding blockchain's adoption. Over here at their website, keep.network, it says stake Ethereum's first private computer and earn up to 21% APY. Staking with Keep is the best way to back and truly decentralize your network and future of DeFi. Privacy-focused infrastructure for public blockchains. The Keep network allows private data to be used on the public protocols without sacrificing confidentiality. True decentralization. Keep is the only protocol that is truly decentralized. Keeps are off-chain containers that allow contracts to use private data without exposing the data to public blockchains. And it says security without compromise. The Keep network secures data with the highest level of encryption. Keep BTCs have been audited by the strongest firms in the ecosystem. How to stake. Learn more about staking on Keep Network, earn rewards, and secure the network. Right here, you can how to keep the network works. About Keep, where to get Keep tokens, you would click right here. Staking your Keep tokens, you would stake right here. Clicking it, stake. And why do we click stake? Because people want to learn about passive income and learning about money. Earn your Keep by staking the Keep network. Launch the dashboard. Why Keep? Why stake with Keep? It's very profitable. Earn rewards with Keep and ETH by staking your Keep tokens. Permissionless. Anyone can keep tokens, can stake and secure the network, and it's very user-friendly, everybody. Stake your tokens and track rewards using the staking dashboard. Staking options. Earn your Keep tokens with the following options. Liquidity pools, coverage pools, stake the Keep. Stake Keep and earn rewards, minimum Keep amount required. Stake the Keep. Staking providers. If you're new to staking, we recommend working with one of the staking providers. And we got a list right here who you can use. All you do is you click Get Started. If you plan to stake more than 1 MM, use SD and Keep. Connect with the business development team. So if you're going to do a lot, you may want to connect with them personally. How to set up and run your own Keep node. So look at that. If you want to learn about running a node with Keep, you can learn it right here. Over at their Twitter account, Keep is in the building infrastructure, private data on the public blockchains. The network upgrade has passed. We are proud to announce the proposal has passed in both the Keep and the new Cypher communities. With higher levels of community support, we will move towards more and greater things. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Keep Network, what do you think about this cryptocurrency? What do you think about this project? Give us your thoughts in the bottom. Well, remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. Let's head over to gas prices. Why are gas prices so high? Biden just kind of stopped executive order to buy oil from Russia. We're not doing it anymore. That's about 5 to 7% that we won't be getting from Russia. Let's head over and check it out. Right here, why are U.S. gas prices soaring when America barely uses Russian oil? There's pain at the pump for American drivers, and the U.S. gas prices soar to record highs. Among the United States barely uses Russian oil, the Russian invasion of Ukraine is still a big factor in the gas price spike, among others. Are you confused? Let's walk you through it. Most Russian oil goes to Europe and Asia, but the key thing here is to think about the oil supply globally rather than the U.S. The commodity world is heavily interconnected one, and the oil price through the global market, so what happens in one area would affect the other. The problem at hand is Russia is one of the world's largest oil suppliers. In December, Russia sent nearly 8 million barrels of oil and other products to the global market, including 5 million barrels of oil that was used by gasoline, among other items. And yes, it is very true that very little of the Russian supply goes to the United States, just 90,000 barrels of oil per day in December, but in 2021, the Europe got 60% and Russia sent about 20% to China. But remember, the oil is bought and shipped around the world through global commodities, so in a sense, it doesn't really matter who is getting it. I mean, now that the United States is not getting that 5 to 7%, it's going to hurt here in the United States. Why is there Russian supply? We can click right here to gasprices.aaa.com. See the average gas prices in the United States, $4.32. California is the highest at $5.73. Florida is at $4.37. North Dakota, $3.90. And you can scroll down here and you can see everything. Right here, California is the highest at $5.73. You got regular gas, mid-gas, premium, and even diesel. Diesel is at $6.23. All right, so what's some strategies you can do? Well, going grocery shopping, you can actually order online and have your groceries shipped to your house. That would cut down some driving, so a lot of people are starting to do that. Carpooling at work. I think the best strategy is to get 3 people that work with you, and all 4 of you drive 1 week out of 4. If I would drive the first week, Sally drives the second week, Bob drives the third week, and Henry drives the fourth. I would only be driving to work 25% of the time. I would actually save 75% of my gas prices by carpooling. You may have to do that. You work with your friends anyway, so you may want to do the carpool. Everybody is feeling it. They say the average family is going to spend about $2,000 more on gas prices this year, and a lot of people don't know where that $2,000 is going to come from. Other things is you can start a side hustle, try to figure out how to make $500 from home, cryptocurrency projects, nodes, drip network, all kinds of things. Now the DoorDash and the Ubers, probably not a great job because the price of the gas is going up and you're still going to make the same money. So anybody who's doing DoorDash, you're actually losing money. 3 months ago, what you were making compared to now, the gas was only $2.50. So you may want to look at crypto projects or some type of a side hustle, data entry, things you can do from home that you can actually make money. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. We're all just friends here. Let's head back over to Keep Network for a price prediction. All right, over here at the Keep Network right here is at 62 cents, and it's actually up right this second. My price prediction today is to keep an eye on these crypto projects. Everything is going up and going down. I mean, it may go up a little bit, it may go down a little bit. Do your own homework. I did bring this to the channel because Keep is on one of the cryptocurrency that people are definitely liking. I had a few people actually say, why don't you do another video on Keep? Let's not forget right here, Keep is at 136. It hasn't broke into the top 100. Traded at 62 cents right here. All right, everybody, my background is in Hawaii. So all kinds of nice stuff going on with cryptocurrency. I think node projects could be a great way to actually get yourself into some extra money. Vapor nodes may be the best project for somebody who's just getting started. Go ahead and look at some vapor nodes. Again, all information for educational purposes only. But why do I say that? Because they have bonuses for people that get started with Vapor, and they have a smaller nodes. Usually the money goes to the bigger nodes, to the whales. Vapor is the opposite. The brand new person getting in is actually going to get the higher bonus, the just getting started. So you may want to check that out. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here so you can learn about Drip Network, get 1% back, 365% of your initial investment, 1% a day. All our information for educational purposes only. Thanks for tuning in, everybody, and we will see you a little bit later on today.